back to our channel. Today we are working on an F90 M5. We are doing an M Performance style kit on it. So we've got the front corner pieces. We've got these for the pre-LCI M5. We don't have these for the LCI. We only have like the full lower splitters for the LCI. But yeah, these go on this one. And then we've got the M Performance style middle diffuser, I mean. We've got a CS style spoiler and M Performance style side skirts. So we'll show you how to get all of that onto the car, and then we'll show you how it looks at the end. First thing we're doing is we're test fitting these, but before we actually test fit them, we need to have a look and line it up and see which bolts you need to take off from the bumper. So you can see that these two 8mm, they need to come off, and these two clips will stay on. So we'll take them off and then we can actually test fit the front corners. With the front corner splitters, you don't really need to tiger seal it or anything. We just used a good amount of double-sided tape here and it is stuck on perfect. There is no gap here at all. So Archie, if you want to come closer, just to show, it's perfect the whole way around. There's no gap. And if you would like a perfect finish, it is always best on all these BMWs to put a bit of black vinyl underneath here, especially on the lighter colored cars like the white cars and the silvers and everything like that. We try to do it on pretty much all of them, other than black, because black vinyl and black car is unnecessary. But yeah, it's that easy, and then it uses two of the original fixings, so it's all removable if you ever want to change it back. So now we've got the spoiler and the front corner splitters done, we're going to move on to the rear. The way we do the middle diffuser for these is we remove the whole diffuser, and then this clips out the back, and we clip it into this one, and then we put it back on the car. So all you need for that is the 8mm socket and a trim removal tool. Now I forgot what we're trying to put down. Thanks, Harry. Okay, so that's the F90 M5 kit all done. I did kind of explain how we did the front, but it's really easy. Lots of double-sided tape here and along the edge here underneath, and then it uses two of the original 8mm bolts. Then we moved on to the spoiler. So just like all of our spoilers, take off the original, clean up the area and stick this one on. Then we did the rear diffuser. So what you have to do is take off the whole plastic black bit, then you take out the middle piece and you replace it with the carbon fiber one using all the original mounts, and then put it all back on and put back the 8mm bolts. Then with the side skirts, just like all of our side skirts, all you have to do is line them up, use the double-sided tape to hold them in place, and get one of your friends to help, and then you drill the holes and put rivets in. But we do provide you with self-tapping screws, so we'll make a fitting guide on our website for all of these parts, and we'll show you how to get everything fitted. And then if you're doing it yourself, you will have self-tapping screws for the side skirts. And don't forget to subscribe, and we'll put a link to this kit and all of our F90 products in the description below.